How to meditate. You can relax and cope with stress by refocusing your attention on something calming. Meditation can help you learn to stay centered and keep inner peace. As you meditate, focus your thoughts on the things that inspire you. This might be articles or books you've read, people who you admire, or something completely random. Whatever it is, think about why it inspires you and see if it sparks some creativity. The relaxation response from meditation helps decrease metabolism, lowers blood pressure, and improves heart rate, breathing, and brain waves. Tension and tightness seep from muscles as the body receives a quiet massage to relax. When you're meditating orderly, how long should I meditate? 1 to 15 minutes, or you can go up to 20 minutes for beginners and 30 to 45 minutes for pros. Thanks for listening.